You have some good outtakes here for Christmas.
Yeah.
Yeah, ready? Let me know when. Yeah? Hi there everybody, got some great news for everyone. That's so cringy. Great news! Oh, you got a free origin. Lockdown's ended. We're back out, it's summertime coming, you can go on your ollie bobs. No masks on planes. Right, here we go.
Hi, I'm Mike, applications engineer for just over 14 years at OGP and Vici. Now, what do I need to say after this?
This Fortis 450 platform, I shouldn't say platform because I'm going to say platform in the other bit. This is the industrial, this is the world leading, this is the world leading, this is the world leading. This is the industrial, what the fuck is going on? We're featuring the Stratasys 450 platform. Fuck off.
Hiya, Mitch from Vici Vision. We've just launched the brand new Prima range, Mac 2020. If you want to take a look, please come down. Visit us at Hall 20.
Hi guys, I'm Cameron and I'm going to show you the OGP. Hi guys, I'm Cameron and I'm here to show you the true OGP. No, I'll start again. I'll put the truth first. It might be a few takes. True multi-sensor measurement system. What you can see.
Well, hold on a second actually. When is TCT?
Just give us a little arrow. So this is where your student's got to follow. I put it in the wrong adapter. And now we're going to move it. Press OK again. And switching to a digital method of measurement has made measurement solutions much easier.
Yeah. This is ideal for mass production parts using binder jet. Say binder jet.
Hi everyone, my name is Chris Fulton. I'm the laughing at Andy. Sorry. On the day we're going to be speaking a lot about industry applications in fields like sorry. Do we want to be saying like about refreshment?
But first, I just want to give you an idea of what this technology is all about. This is programmable photopolymerization. Is it? Easy for you to say. So this is programmable photopolymerization. I was going to say well there as well. It's a fucking mouthful, isn't it? You're right, I should just say P3, but I want to say it. You know what I mean? I want to actually say it.
It's a machine that's got. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions, then please let me know. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions, please let me know. Cheers.
I hope you enjoyed the video.